This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within.
So I feel like I won't be able to build it because I think it's broken, basically. So this is the frame that it's supposed to sit on, yeah? And I'm supposed to screw the other things on here and here. But on this side, the hole, there's literally no hole in here where I should screw it. And it's actually on the inside, on there. So I might not be able to build it. I would have to return it. And that is such a big waste of time and a big shame, and I really wanted a desk now. So there's that. I think I'm not gonna be able to do this thing. Probably. Most probably. Do you agree, Simba? Yeah, he's given up as well. So, this is how it would have looked like. And it would have had another shelf on top. So basically, like, this is how it was supposed to look like. But, as I told you and I showed you, and I FaceTimed my partner as well just to confirm that I'm not crazy, it can't be built. So, I decided I'm not gonna email them and I'm just gonna refund it. I'm gonna tell them there's a fault and I'm gonna refund it. And I was between this one and the IKEA Malm, the little desk that IKEA has. I think in white, probably. And I think I'm gonna go with that, because it just fits the space more, and I can see that now the wood there doesn't go with there, so it just, I think I'm gonna go with white. It's the best option. I'm gonna do that, and now I just have to put all this back, disassemble what I've managed to screw, like 3 screws, whatever, and then put it back in the box, and return it hopefully soon so I can buy the IKEA one.
Tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has a clearer light as any to see the horizon in the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a wreck. Tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow.
So I've washed the dishes, dishwasher is on. I still have a bit of things to do. I mean, I'm still under that duvet because it's a bit chilly, but it's nice. Now I've opened the doors, you've seen the cats playing. You know Simba, but the other cat is actually Herbert, and it's our neighbor's cat. And Simba is trying to socialize with him. He doesn't really know how to socialize because he's a lockdown baby and he's been indoor his own whole life basically. He doesn't know that there are other cats besides him, so that's funny to watch. But now I'm gonna do some work because I've postponed it as much as I could, but I have some work to do for my job, so I'm gonna do that after I finish my episode of Love is Blind. Let me tell you what episode I'm on, because I've watched quite a bit today. So I'm on episode 5, and it's getting interesting. I mean, it's a bit predictable at this stage. I think I know what couples are gonna break up, what couples are for real, but I'm trying to get through it, because sometimes it's a bit fake and I don't really like it, but it's really interesting from a psychological point of view, so I'm gonna keep through it. But I'm gonna watch this episode and then work a bit, because that's what I need to do. It's almost 10 o'clock now. I've worked until now. I've worked, I think, about 2.5 hours, maybe 3 hours. I've been really focused and I've been doing a lot of good work. So now I'm gonna stop for the day. I've started quite late. I've had a lazy day, I have to admit. I've been procrastinating doing actual work, but I have time for that tomorrow, and now I'm just gonna call it a day. I'm gonna go have a bath and continue watching Love is Blind. That was Simba running up the stairs. And now, I don't know if I'll finish the video or I'll see you tomorrow, but if I finish the video, I'm gonna see you guys next time.
It's a